इनका काम बोलता है, यकीन नहीं तो देख लीजिए। एक बात समझिए, एक चीज को, ठीक है, अगली बार पुलिस नहीं होगी, झूठ बोल, ठीक है। तो मैंने भी हमको कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं।
खाएगा
दरोगा जी जब किसी को लॉकडाउन तोड़ते हुए पाते हैं तो फिर तो समझो उसकी शान। लाठी नहीं चलाते, बस कमाल करते हैं। कभी उठक बैठक लगवाते हैं तो कभी लॉकडाउन तोड़ने वाले को मुर्गे की तरफ करवाते हैं। पांडे जी ठहरे रॉबिन हुड इस नाते लोगों को खुद से खरीद कर मास्क भी बांटते हैं। अब आपकी पांडे जी हैं, इनका नाम है अमर प्रसाद पांडे। ये ट्रैफिक सूबेदार मध्य प्रदेश के सीधी जिले में ये बतौर ट्रैफिक प्रभारी तैनात थे। भागवत प्रसाद पांडे का
Hi, Prerna.
Hi, is that Richa?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
Very well. How are you doing?
I was trying to figure out that whose voice is that.
Still getting
To
used to
see
seeing.
everyone after such a long time.
I know. How's life been?
Good, good. I think we are more connected in this lockdown period.
I know. I seem to be speaking with a lot more people. I still missing out. I miss the stepping out.
Yeah, your work.
Uh, it's a bit of a challenge. It's some parts of work very smooth. Some parts of work still, still trying to figure our way around it.
But I think, Richa, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity also
Totally.
to step back and reflect what you have been doing and what you have to do in future.
I agree. I think there are a few things we'll not take for granted for sure.
Yeah,
But,
of course.
for me, it's people say step back and you have time. We really don't. I feel like we stay on Zoom calls through the day.
No, but
We're
that's
a lot more.
again another way of learning. Otherwise,
Ah,
how much time do you get
oh,
to
yeah.
exchange the knowledge or, grasp
Uh,
new things?
how many webinars did we dial up for?
Yeah,
Suddenly,
I know
this
how much
Saturday, it's like,
busy this webinars have kept us.
yeah, it's true.
Some way, I think we're waiting for everyone.
Yeah. She just messaged me and said, please dial in. I thought मैं बहुत late हो गई हूँ because she messaged and said, please dial in.
Yeah, host is not there, or is he?
Yeah, so hello everyone. Myself,
Hi.
Chintan Pandya from Glambox. I'm the host for today. And
Okay.
really welcome all of you, all the panelists, the moderator, as well as all the audience who have logged in till now. We'll wait for a few more
Hi,
minutes. I would say
Sumesh.
3 more minutes for people to log in for this. Matter of fact, we got so many messages about people really looking forward for this event.
Glad, happy.
Because they have all the glamour here today. All women coming up.
I know. Like you said, once in a lifetime opportunities. And hi, Sumesh.
Yes.
Yeah,
How
hi.
are you?
Hello,
Hi,
Sumesh ji.
Richa
How
ji,
are
how are
you?
you? Hi, Prerna. Hi, Chintan. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you all doing?
Very well.
Yeah, good. You kept us all
Okay.
busy, Sumesh ji.
Well, actually, I'm more busy now in lockdown than I'm in my normal routine, so it's good.
Yeah.
I think it's with everyone. As I was talking to Richa,
Yeah.
it's with everyone.
It's with all of us. It's all of us are in a
Yeah.
state
Thanks,
where
thanks to technology and all these things are possible. Otherwise, we have not used to any of this video conferencing facilities as such.
Yes, so Tanya is also here.
Hi,
Tanya has joined in. Hi, Tanya ji. How are you?
hi, Suji. How are you? Hi,
Excellent,
hi,
good.
Richa.
hi, hi, Tanya.
Good to see you guys. Yeah,
You too.
Yeah.
We're just saying this is probably the way to stay connected. नहीं तो हम wait.
I
At least for
no,
us,
no,
it
I think
becomes a
I
fewer
think we are
meetings.
more connected during this thing than I ever was in my life.
See, everyone has to
Long
say the
lost
same thing.
long lost friends, 30 years old friends are now जो school में थे उससे भी ज़्यादा. They are now getting together and hosting house parties and Zoom parties and.
So, abhi, Tanya, you've become more busy now.
I swear, it is absolutely. And plus, I've got 3 kids. Yeah.
Oh my God.
And then I also like to think that it's one opportunity as jewelers will never get again. We need to also, dedicate time to your structuring, जो भी organizing. हम लोग इतने unorganized industry already, and especially us who have been working since generations. Some of the staff are your seniors, they boss on you sometimes. So I think it's very important to use this time and plan things out, which I think at least we've been trying to do. We've been taking Zoom meetings with our staff and everything. Twice a week, thrice a week. We've made it mandatory for them. कभी लाइफ में टाइम नहीं मिला यार इस चीज का पहले.
HOD पर भी
सबसे आगे तो सबसे ज्यादा तो इस टाइम हम Zoom के आगे बैठ रहे हैं.
हाँ.
पूरे दिन में.
Yeah. So my children have learned that webinar ka. My 2-year-old now knows how to say webinar.
Hi, Shweta.
So.
Come on.
Okay. May I request that since we have clocked in 5:00 p.m.,
Okay.
So I was just so can we move on for today to start today's session?
Sure.
Yeah, I think so. Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Chintan,
great.
right. Go ahead.
Great, fantastic. So quickly, I would like to welcome all the audience and the panelists and the moderator. Before getting into the session, I would like to quickly share the pointer of today, how this topic has come in. So I would like to really put this name. Mrs. Nirupa Bhattji had put a very beautiful blog, and this entire today's session is actually inspired from her and her blog, which said, "Women know what women want." So definitely, I would like to add this thing here before we start.
Is she also attending the session today?
We had definitely shared this info, but I don't know. We'll
Yeah.
definitely
All right. Yeah.
share this idea with her. So I'll request my partner and colleague Shruti. So since today the session is about women, so I think she is the right person to take it this entire thing ahead from here. So I'll request her to introduce the panel and moderator for today's session. Shruti, can I request you to please take up from here?
Thank you, Chintan. Good evening, all. We have a good crowd now, I can see. And today's topic is jewelry marketing. Women know what women want. Jewelry compliments a woman. Jewelry has always made women feel beautiful, confident, and we have 7 beautiful ladies with us today, and they are our panelists for today. I'll start with Devyani Dande. Devyani Dande, she is the executive director for Govind Dande and Sons Nasik. Then we have Kirtana Gandhi. She's from Vizag, Vaibhav Jewelers. We have Khushbu Ranawat, who's the director at Swanshil Chains and Jewelers Private Limited. Prerna Khurana. She is the owner of Khurana Jewelry House. We have Richa Singh, MD India Producer Association. We have Shweta Dhana, who's from Vijay Exports, Mumbai. We have Tanya Rastogi. Tanya has her own boutique called Jewel of her birth, and she comes from Lala Jugar Kishore Jewelers family, Lucknow. So, and our moderator for today is Mr. Someshwara. He is the Aja president of Karnataka state, and he's also the publisher and chief editor of India's B2B magazine, Art of Jewelry. Somesh, welcome.
Yes, thank you, Shruti. And
Yeah,
good
you
evening.
can take it ahead from here.
All right. So shall I take it over?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So good evening, everyone,
Good
especially
Good
to our
evening.
fascinating women panel, the high achiever women from jewelry industry. And actually, it's a real privilege and honor for me to moderate this session. But to be honest, I'm a bit nervous. I've never been nervous
Never
before. So anyway, my first question, I think, goes to Prerna Khurana ji from Khurana Jewelers, Amritsar. I think, Prerna ji, you'll agree with me, no woman has ever said she has sufficient jewelry, right?
True that. Yeah.
And so what is the special attachment between woman and jewelry? Why women love the jewelry so much? Could you share your insights as a woman, as a jewelry entrepreneur, both?
Yeah, sure. First of all, good evening, everyone. And thank you so much for getting this platform and, bringing me out here to share my views. It's really a privilege for me. And jewelry to me, it means a lot of things, Sumesh ji. Because mere liye pehle to, it is a form of self-expression. Like my personal style statement, my uniqueness, my current mood. मतलब ये ना सिर्फ मेरे लिए एक adornment है, but it is signifying or enhancing my sense of completion, my satisfaction. Like
Right.
when I'm getting ready, when I'm wearing the jewelry, I feel complete. तो फिर jewelry के साथ और ना बहुत सारे emotions भी attached हैं. अगर आप मतलब मेरे से पूछें तो many
Right.
emotions are attached to it.
Right.
जैसे love का emotion है. This love can be of a husband and wife, a mother, a daughter, or of a father and a daughter. Because when you love someone and you've got a gift from someone you love, and it is as precious because it is, forever. तो वो आपके लिए ऑल द मोर स्पेशल हो जाती है चीज. फिर उसके बाद एक मेरे लिए ज्वेलरी इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ कमिटमेंट. जैसे it's a commitment when you talk about an engagement ring, you talk about a wedding band. So whenever you see that jewelry piece in front of you, you're in your hand, तो आपको एक commitment का एहसास बार बार होता है. So it's kind of that. And then more than that, it is a kind of a memory also for me. Like I'll just share with you, on my silver anniversary, I got a solitaire ring from my husband, which I'm wearing today. So it's not just a solitaire ring, but it is, for me, it's reliving those special moments. You know, it's a kind of memory which is imbibed in me. तो मैं जब भी उसको देखती हूँ, वो मेरे लिए वो special moments relive हो जाते हैं. फिर उसके बाद I can also say that jewelry is a kind of a connection which is formed between two generations. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि हमें नानी या दादी का कोई heirloom piece मिला है, तो जो नानी या दादी अपनी पोती को कोई चीज दे रही है, तो इमीडिएटली एक बॉन्ड कनेक्ट हो रहा है दोनों के बीच में, एक कनेक्टिविटी हो रही है, एक हेरिटेज भी पास हो रही है, और उसी की तरह हमारा एक कल्चर भी प्रिजर्व हो रहा है. तो another way of seeing jewelry is celebration. Like when I want to celebrate, I've achieved something in my life and I want to reward myself. तो मुझे अपने आप को, I will feel like that I want to reward myself. I want to give myself something precious which stays with me. I've achieved something. So it's kind of, rewarding myself also. So it is a kind of a celebration for me. So another emotion could be like, say it's an experience. जब जैसे कोई mother अपनी daughter के साथ cruiser shopping के लिए जा रही है, that's a once in a lifetime experience for both mother and the daughter. So उनके लिए jewelry buying is an experience which is very unique in itself. And lastly, I would want to say jewelry for me is also an investment. From times immemorial where we are hearing this word Stridhan. So जो ये Stridhan है ना, I rather keep myself, I want to save, so I rather save in form of a jewelry and not keep cash with me. So jewelry has many meanings to me.
Wonderful. Exactly.
Sumeshji, I'd like to add something.
Please come in, Tanya.
Yeah.
Yes.
So to this, there is a WGC ka statistic which is very interesting, which I want to add to Prerna's answer. So the 11% entire world's gold, सारी दुनिया का 11% सोना is owned by the Indian housewives. Okay. Right. So the Indian non-working housewives are the richest housewives in the world. So and जो श्रीधन बताया वो संविधान में भी है हमारे कि 500 ग्राम ladies रख सकती हैं, no questions asked. So that is how important the government and the constitution recognizes how important jewelry and gold is to our women.
True. So truly Indian woman that way has the largest ownership of gold in the world.
Yes.
That any RBI or the US. Coming back to our few points quickly on Prerna ji, what she mentioned. I think Prerna ji, you mentioned so many multi-emotional angle, investment, love, symbol. So with all this, I think the future of our jewelry industry looks quite safe. Because there's so many
no doubt about that.
angles to it.
And so this is what we have to do. We have to stay positive.
Right. I have a quick two short questions and then we move to the next panelist. So Prerna ji, next question is you now forget a jewelry shop owner, a partner, or a kind of, a player in the gems and jewelry industry. Just imagine as a woman after COVID-19, will you come back and buy the jewelry in the same way, in the same capacity, with the same volume what you used to buy, say, 1 year back? You see any change in a woman's mind after this COVID incident?
Yeah, I think because this COVID incident has shown us so many uncertainties in life. And it has shown that, how much this saving is important, because these things are inevitable. तो कभी भी किसी के साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है. और आज आप देखो कि COVID-19 के पीरियड में हर चीज डेप्रिशिएट हुई है एक्सेप्ट गोल्ड. तो मुझे लगता है कि this is again going to motivate people to come and buy. उनको समझ लगेगी कि किसी और चीज में, या एज अ वुमन आई कैन से, किसी और चीज में जो मैं इन्वेस्ट करूंगी उससे बेटर है व्हाई नॉट इन्वेस्ट और पुट माय मनी इनटू ज्वेलरी, बिकॉज टाइम्स आर सो अनसर्टन. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, इट इज नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल.
Exactly. I think women are always wise in those sense. And a small question which will be followed to all the panelists is, could you name any one of your role models, any role models in any field, a woman role model for you, Prerna ji?
अरे आपने तो मेरे वुमेन रोल मॉडल का सबसे पहले नाम ले लिया. मैंने पूछा भी वो अटेंड कर रही है सेशन के नहीं.
Acha.
निरूपा जी.
What are you saying, Nirupa? Oh, interesting. Very nice.
Yeah. She is, I think, influencing and inspiring everyone in the industry.
True. Thank you.
Not
So
only
great.
women.
She's definitely a very influenced leader we have in our industry. Great. So I think we move to the next question. Do we have our DPA Richa Singh ji around? Richa ji, are you there?
All here.
All here. Excellent. So the question says, how marketing influences the purchase of jewelry? Richa ji, you come from a marketing background. You've been with L'Oreal. You are now heading the Diamond Producer Association, which is a big role, big body of all the diamond mining companies. So as a woman, you think you have a better insights to market, to sell the diamond and jewelry to a woman? Is it an advantage for you? And what are the other marketing insights you would like to share in the role which you are playing now?
First, thank you all. Thank you, Shruti, for having me here. It's a great opportunity for me again to see, all of you. It's a rare opportunity that I get. It's, however strange it sounds, women are complicated to everybody. It's not like women are easily understood by women. हम पैदा ही थोड़ी complicated हुई हैं. We like to confuse people. We change our mind often. I think that I will pick on a few things that Prerna said, that women are smart enough that they realize that I can wear something and still it is something that I can enjoy later. It's an investment. So women are smarter that way. I think marketing to a consumer is all about consumer insights, about understanding वो क्या चाहती है, क्या देख रही है, क्या सोच रही है उस moment पे, हम कैसे तैयार रहें to understand her mindset at that particular time. But what we understand better is probably a situation that she's going through. When Tanya spoke and said, I have a 2-year-old, and you have a ting in your head which says, yeah, I'm very worried that mine is going to run into the room. So there's a certain empathy that you have, or an understanding that you have of what the feeling that the other woman is going around. So whether it was the day she got married, whether it was, her equation with her mother, bacha, it's, I think that what women probably can do better, or can understand her, a female consumer better, is because of the way she can associate with it. So of course, sabki life alag hai, sabka तौर तरीका अलग है, सबकी relationships अलग है, but फिर भी there is a certain core which is constant, and I think we understand that. When it comes to jewelry, it's the same thing. I think the beauty of jewelry as a category over anything else is that it's every probably feeling that I had was expressed by Prerna as well, but it's my it's a lot of emotion attached with every piece. So whether it was given to me or I bought it to celebrate a moment, or so it's not just a piece of jewelry. It's not another white shirt. Every piece of jewelry has there's some moment to it. There is some emotion attached to it. So it's a very beautifully balanced category. For me, the most exciting part is कि ये ऐसी category है जिसमें पैसे के बारे में जितना सोचते हो उतना दिल के बारे में सोचते हो. It's such a balanced act. So it's a fashion statement. It's my personal style statement, but it's also something that I think in my head. अभी भी मेरी माँ ज्वेलरी खरीदती है तो कहती है तेरे को अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मेरे बाद तेरा हो जाएगा. I've been hearing it since I was 5 years old, and even now, she says the same. So there is a certain feeling that you are passing, leaving behind a little piece of you, which is not true for every other category. There are a few categories, but it's something that transcends generations, transcends moment, transcends, style statements. आज क्या इन है, क्या नहीं है, ज्वेलरी का फिर कोई ना कोई टाइम, कोई ना कोई तरीके से आप पहन ही लेते हो और एंजॉय करते ही हो.
I think very deep meanings and the deep insights you brought it, the connection between the woman and the jewelry. And as I asked to the Prerna, the first panelist, just now step back and see as a woman, common woman or a rich woman, a middle class, after COVID-19,
Ji.
what will be her mindset towards the jewelry? Will she has to look after her first other needs of the family, or jewelry will still be top of the mind?
You know, I have, okay, again, all of us sitting here, I think we have to keep the positivity in the industry. So I've been looking at the positive side. हमें ये मौका भी मिला था कि ये अब एक महीना बैठे हैं तो कैसे हम अंडरस्टैंड करें, कंज्यूमर से बात करें और समझ सकें कि वो क्या सोच रही है, क्या कर रही है. एक पॉजिटिव अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि ट्रैवल बहुत लिमिट हो जाएगा. यू नो, अभी जब तक ट्रैवल स्टार्ट्स अगेन, देयर इज अ लिटिल वैम. हम कहते ही रहते हैं कि इनडायरेक्टली वेदर इट्स अ गैजेट और ट्रैवल और एन एक्सपीरियंस हमारे लिए कंपटीशन है. तो इन दैट सेंस आई फील दैट कंफर्ट लेवल ज्यादा होगा, एक्सपीरियंस चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर लोग आप रिटेल में आते थे,
some disturbance. Yeah, go ahead.
कि आपके पास आके सारा दिन बैठते थे, चाय पीते थे आराम से. इट्स लाइक अ फैमिली कि हाँ, they've come to one jeweler and it's you know, their trust and what they were building on. Probably हमारी visits छोटी हो जाएंगी. I don't think the consumer is going to let go of this category. Like it was wisely said by Tanya also, that she believes this is a category which is like an investment for her. So it is money for a rainy day as well. Jewelry में हमेशा भरोसा ये रहता है कि हाँ, so it's our opportunity to leverage. हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, हम क्या सिखा सकते हैं, फीलिंग हो सकती है. फियर है, अभी इनिशियली है, कंज्यूमर आर्टिकुलेट कर रहे हैं कि दे वांट टू बी, बट आई थिंक हमारी कैटेगरी ऐसी है जिसको वो एक्स्ट्रा नहीं गिनते. इट्स अ वेरी कोर पार्ट ऑफ अस. तो इट्स लाइक आपने कैश नहीं रखा, आपने ज्वेलरी में इन्वेस्ट किया है, तो अभी भी कंज्यूमर ऐसे ही आर्टिकुलेट कर रहा है. डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस, कोई ज्यादा लेगा या कम लेगा, या यू नो, इससे पहले मेरे साथ डिबेट हो रहा था कि छोटी पीस हल्की ज्वेलरी लेना शुरू कर देंगे क्या, भारी नहीं लेंगे. आई थिंक वो तो मतलब शुरुआत सोने के भाव से हो गई थी. इट wasn't anything to do with COVID-19 when people were talking about smaller pieces. It was a lot to do with the rate of gold. Depends on what you can afford and you know what life stage or economic lifestyle people have.
True.
But
I think yeah,
it's,
it will depend. Jewelry will definitely, people can't postpone or delay it for a long time. You have weddings, you have
Absolutely.
birthdays and celebrations. I'm sure it's going to bounce back, but probably it'll take a little longer time.
I will add a small thing. Like we said, that every piece of jewelry is a celebration of its own kind. You know, you do something, it's a celebration. So it doesn't need to be a big occasion like a shadi. But coming out of this, also people want to do something. I think that we can leverage as an industry, leverage it and say, you know, this is a आगे क्या पता कल क्या होगा. So enjoy every little moment and celebrate every little moment with. So let's not only think big wedding and
In China,
big,
we are seeing a trend, something called revenge buying shopping.
yes, I read about
Buying in
it.
a big way. Okay, the last point is, Richaji, who's your role model in the women?
If you're going to ask me in the industry, you know, you have a full panel. I probably know fewer women and
This question is for all the panelists. Just name one of your role model.
Yeah, you know, you'll be surprised, but the more I'm locked at home, the more I appreciate a woman as such, because being multitaskers,
Right.
Every woman I speak to, whether I have the closest friend who are homemakers, whether, you know, running a company, I think every woman has a challenge and every woman has about 10 hands and 10 things she's doing at the same time. So for me, I really applaud us as a community. I think that we are great at what we do and we should be very proud of what we do.
Wonderful. Right. So the next question, can we move on to? Thank you, Richaji. Do we have Kirtana Gandhi from Vaibhav Jewelers Vizag with us?
Yes, I'm here.
Kirtana, are you there?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, how are you, Kirtana?
I'm good. How are you? Hello,
So
everyone.
You are running a multi-chain store, a part of your family business. You're joined full time, right? You're part of your. How long?
So it's been almost 4 years that I've been full time. Yeah.
So here, what we are looking at is that what type of marketing which touches the woman's heart and influences to buy? Are you part of your marketing campaigns and advertising with your company does? Could you share your insights on this point?
Yeah, like this was the first place I was put on
Okay.
when I came into the business. So
It was just my guess that this question will be relevant to you.
great, yeah. So we as women, I think we take everything as an experience. I mean, I'm too young, I'm sure, to say this, but I think we see everything as an experience as we grow, and I mean, seeing all the women around. So for us, it's more about emotions. It's more about that experience that counts for us, and obviously, it's imbibed in us that we have to somehow care for the family, save for the family, look into the future, and have some sense of security. So basically, we have everything together. So in marketing, definitely that emotional connect has to be there. And now in this generation, we want to be recognized for the jewelry we wear. So for the youngsters and the millennials, we want relatability. And for the little older generation, I wouldn't say women get old ever. We are always young, and we always want to buy jewelry and want to be relevant for all
You're
types
trying to be very safe.
Yes. I'm just trying to protect my community. So, so we want to be relevant. We want to be fashionable. I mean, let it be like a 40-year-old who's like killing it in her job. I want to wear nice millennial rings, like not just regular rings. I want to wear something which all the millennials wear. I want to showcase that I am there for everything. Like already Richa has said, we have 10 hands, we have 10 things to do. We want to be there everywhere. We want to do everything. So for us, it's about opportunity to express ourselves. Jewelry is more about expression for ourselves. For us, it's more about security. It's more about that emotional connect as well, because that's, I think, everything put together, we need that sense of security and emotion end of the day. So I mean, that's where women look up to, I feel. So yeah, if the campaign has some emotion, and definitely what tops the most is the design, because that's what reflects me as who I am. So first comes design, then the emotion, then the safety. So if all those three are in my marketing campaign, I think I've sold the product.
Excellent. Very interesting.
So I would want to add here something, Sumeshji.
Yeah, please.
Just